Deputy Editor Ashar Khan now joins me live from the capital. Ashar, Milind Deora is one of the first Rahul critics from within the party. The question now is this just the beginning of knives being pulled out by the party men post the Lok Sabha rout?
Well, absolutely. In fact, we've been saying this since the exit polls came, that the attack would be on the office of Rahul Gandhi, and that is exactly what has happened. We've seen that as far as the advisors, the people who've been advising him have come under direct attack because they were a conduit between the local leaders, that is the ground level leaders, and Rahul Gandhi. The access was controlled by them, the entire thing was controlled by them, and now people have started hitting out. The entire thing was that many Congress MPs feel that they lost not because of that they did not do good in their area. That is because the party was not behind them, the party was not listening to them, and in the coming 2-3 days we'll see more people coming out. In fact, today only Satyavrat Chaturvedi came out and virtually endorsed whatever Milind Deora said, but he had a caveat that such a thing should have been said in a party forum. Now the question is that where is the party forum? For instance, if a Congress member or Congress MP wants to speak, where does he speak? He's not amongst the chosen 41 members of the CWC, so where does he speak?
Yes.
To whom does he go ahead and give his grouse? That's why people are coming out and speaking in the open.
Also, what's significant here, Ashar, is the fact that Rahul's style of functioning is now openly being questioned. What does this really mean for Rahul as well as the party's immediate future?
Well, the thing is that it is becoming difficult to insulate Rahul from the defeat which the Congress party had, and secondly, he'll have to, as one of the leaders in behind closed doors said, get off the high horse, go and meet people. He should move away from the coterie that is surrounding him, and that is something which is very important. And secondly, the fact remains that you are a leader till the time you are able, or your clout is able to help people win elections. When your clout works negatively for them, clearly people will be asking questions in this time and age.
Ashar Khan, thanks for joining us at the top of 3 p.m. with that top story.